Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been a long time, hasn't it? So let's go back to the main subject of this video, which is the most recent UK business visa updates and why now is the best time for you to get your startup or innovator visa. According to the most recent news from the UK Home Office, both the startup and innovator visas will be phased out or replaced by a fresh visa route. The previous 20 to 30 endorsing bodies will be abolished, leaving just 3 endorsing bodies. All of these new regulations will be in effect beginning in spring 2023, and new applications for both the startup visa and the innovator visa will be accepted until then. So, if you want to come to the UK and start working, running a business, and getting the ILR, now is the time to apply for these visas, and I'll explain why. The first and most important reason is tighter entry restrictions, since every time a visa route is updated, it is because the government tries to make immigration entry more difficult. This might include increases in funding, talent requirements, visa fees, and the complexity of the application procedure. So there are many reasons why things will get harder. It will also become more difficult if the number of endorsing organizations is cut from over 30 to barely 3. As you may be aware, this will result in a restricted number of endorsement slots. Previously, when there were more endorsing bodies, there were more endorsements, therefore the supply was quite high. But now, since the supply is less than the demand, getting the endorsement will be considerably more difficult, and your hope of moving to the UK and establishing a better life may be dashed. We all come to the UK to earn our ILR or citizenship, or at least the most of us do, and you spend so much time, money, and energy on it. Based on existing business visa routes, meeting the ILR requirements is simple. So anybody having an innovator visa who has been running their firm for 3 years may easily do it. However, that may not be the case under the new guidelines, which go into effect in the spring of 2023. It is unclear how many years the ILR will take, what the conditions are, and how much investment you will need to make. It is now £50,000, but may increase in the future. As a result, it is essential to get your business visa before the spring of 2023, which is before the end of February. So, what exactly are you waiting for? Now is the time to secure your business visas. Call us right now. I'd also wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope to see you soon. Bye.